10 signs someone has a crush on you. In the intricate tapestry of human emotions, there lies a subtle yet intense thread. The unspoken, often unnoticed signs of a crush. It's a tale as old as time. Yet each story is unique, shrouded in mystery and silent longing. Like a puzzle waiting to be solved, these signs are hidden in plain sight, woven into everyday interactions, waiting for the keen eye to discern them. From the depths of nervous laughter to the warmth of a lingering glance, each sign is a piece of a larger narrative, telling a story of affection, desire, and the possibility of something more. As we embark on this journey of discovery, let's unravel these signs, decoding the language of the heart and uncovering the secrets it holds. The journey promises to be as thrilling as it is revealing, offering a glimpse into the profound yet often unexplored world of human connections. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Increased attention and interest. When someone has a crush on you, one of the most noticeable signs is their increased attention and interest in your life. This person might start seeking more opportunities to interact with you, whether it's through conversations, text messages, or social media. They show a keen interest in your activities, opinions, and well-being, often remembering small details from past conversations. This heightened attention is a way of forming a closer connection with you, as they're genuinely interested in knowing more about your life. They might ask follow-up questions or bring up topics you've shown interest in, indicating they're actively listening and valuing your interactions. This consistent and increased engagement is often a clear indicator of their growing affection and interest in developing a deeper relationship. 2. Body language cues. Body language offers subtle, yet powerful, clues about someone's feelings. A person with a crush might exhibit signs like prolonged eye contact, mirroring your movements, or finding reasons for physical contact. They might lean in closer when talking to you, indicating their interest and desire to be near you. Pay attention to their facial expressions too. A genuine smile, raised eyebrows, and a general demeanor of openness and warmth when they interact with you can also be telltale signs. These nonverbal cues are often subconscious and can be more honest than verbal communication, revealing a person's true feelings even if they haven't verbally expressed them. 3. Nervousness or awkwardness around you. Nervousness or awkwardness can be a charming sign that someone has a crush on you. When around their crush, people often experience butterflies in their stomach. This can be due to the anxiety of wanting to make a good impression or fear of rejection. They might laugh nervously at your jokes, seem unusually shy, or be more cautious about their appearance and actions around you. This shift in behavior, especially if the person is typically confident, can indicate they hold special feelings for you. It's important to recognize these signs with empathy, as they signify the person's vulnerability and the sincerity of their emotions towards you. 4. They remember small details. Paying attention to the minutiae of your conversations and experiences is a hallmark of someone with a crush. This person will remember the little things you've mentioned: your favorite book, how you take your coffee, a story about your childhood pet, and bring them up in future conversations. This level of detail shows that they're not just listening to you. They're actively engaged and storing this information because it's important to them. Their memory for these details can also extend to remembering important dates, such as your birthday. They might ask how a specific event went or follow up on a situation you mentioned in passing. This attentiveness is a way for them to demonstrate their care and interest in your life, going beyond surface-level interaction. Additionally, they might recall your preferences and dislikes and use this information to tailor their interactions with you. For example, they could recommend a movie they think you'll like, or avoid topics they know you're uncomfortable with. This behavior shows a thoughtful consideration of your feelings and a desire to make your interactions pleasant and meaningful. 5. They initiate contact. A person with a crush will often take the initiative to contact you, ensuring they remain a constant presence in your life. This can be through various means, such as text messages, phone calls, social media interactions, or face-to-face conversations. They're likely to be the first to reach out, share a piece of news, or ask how your day was. This consistent initiation of contact is a sign that you're on their mind and they're eager to maintain a connection. The nature of their messages can also be telling. They may send you things that remind them of you, suggesting that they associate these things with your shared interests or conversations. Their messages are often well thought out and may include questions or comments that encourage a continued dialogue. Furthermore, the frequency of their contact is significant. Regular, consistent communication, especially if it's more than what they extend to others, indicates a special level of interest. They might also try to find common ground or interests through these interactions, looking for more reasons to connect with you and build on your relationship. 6. They go out of their way to help you. When someone consistently goes out of their way to assist you, it's often more than just a friendly gesture. It can indicate they have a crush. This person may offer help with tasks, both big and small, and sometimes at their own inconvenience. They might volunteer to help you move, assist you in preparing for an event, or offer support during challenging times. Their eagerness to help is a sign of their desire to be involved in your life and to create opportunities to spend time together. It's also a way for them to show their reliability and caring nature, traits that are attractive in a potential partner. They may hope that through these actions, you'll see them as someone who is dependable and considerate. Moreover, this behavior can be a form of nonverbal communication, expressing their feelings for you through actions rather than words. It's a way of showing that they care about your well-being and want to make your life easier or more pleasant. 7. They try to make you laugh or smile. Efforts to bring humor and joy into your interactions are significant indicators of a crush. Someone who likes you will often try to make you laugh or smile, as shared laughter can create a strong emotional bond. They might crack jokes, share funny stories, or engage in lighthearted teasing. These attempts at humor are their way of creating a comfortable and enjoyable atmosphere whenever you're together. Their focus on your happiness reflects a deeper level of care and affection. They pay close attention to what makes you laugh, tailoring their humor to suit your preferences. This thoughtful approach shows that they value your response and are keen to be a source of positive energy in your life. 8. Jealousy or interest in your dating life. Subtle signs of jealousy or a heightened interest in your dating life can be indicative of a crush. This person might ask about your relationship status or react in certain ways when you mention other potential romantic interests. Their questions might seem casual, but they often stem from a desire to know if you're available or interested in someone else. Their reactions to your answers about your dating life can also be telling. 9. They compliment you frequently. Regular and heartfelt compliments are a strong sign someone is interested in you beyond a platonic level. They might comment on your appearance, praising specific features or the way you dress. 10. They seem genuinely happy around you. A noticeable change in mood and demeanor when someone is around you is a strong indicator of a crush. This person often seems more vibrant, energetic, and genuinely happier in your presence. Their face might light up when they see you, and they seem more engaged and enthusiastic during your interactions. This spontaneous happiness is a sign of the joy and comfort they find in your company. As we navigate the intricate dance of relationships, it's the unspoken words, the shared smiles, and the quiet moments of understanding that weave the most enduring bonds. In the end, it's these connections, built on the foundation of empathy and understanding, that truly encapsulate the beauty of human relationships. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.